How to find your Chase credit card number on Chase app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find the credit card number on Chase app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up the Chase app, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, you just need to follow some steps. So in order to find your account number anywhere, you can find directly on your card number. Otherwise, besides of your physical card, you can usually find your card number on the billing statements and in your preferred online or in your bank's mobile app. Usually your credit card account number by itself isn't available for you to view. So for instance, your billing statement may have your credit card number, so you may just go to the billing statement and you may be able to see your credit card number there. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to see your credit card number on your Chase app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.